Fuck boys, I don't know where I'm going.
Just follow the convoy.
Where is the convoy?
I don't know.
Oh,
yeah, they're all. Why must you be playing this music, peasant? Let's go.
This is sick, bombing it down over all these cars. We're part of the community now, boys. Are we all going left? Oh, tax office, it's in here.
Oh, that's what they meant.
Whoa, look at that car! Look at that car, look! Jesus.
Oh my god, what the hell?
That's hydraulics. Nah, this is fucking sick.
We're in it, boys.
Copyright strike.
Oh, look.
Still behind us.
Modified Seat.
Should we just get out of like no.
All the Fords. Modified Evo as well. Damn. So lads, welcome to how to have an asthma attack in 1 hour. All the petrol that's going to be around here.
Yeah, don't tell you, I brought my asthma pump.
And that is how you do a spoiler, ladies and gentlemen. God.
We haven't taken this way. Oh, that's so bad.
Look at it. Feel the heat coming off that. Ah, it's a Civic. Of course.
The guy's got his engine open, the one with the cool car.
Okay. That's a Noble. You don't see them very often. Cool. Oh, look at that. That's insane. My ears. So I'm not really interested in this one. I'm more interested in a... Now, I want to get a closer look at this big boy. Holy shit.
Oh, it's this RX8.
Can you even call that an RX-8 anymore? I mean, that one you definitely can.
That is my love here.
You've got to love the sound of the Boxer 4, ain't you?
That's what I said.
One of my favourites, Focus RS Mark III. Yeah. Lovely car. It's an angry looking boy. Let's get a look at this. Look how... Jesus Christ, that turbo is massive.
Jesus.
Nah, look at the engine though, look how pristine that is. Fiesta ST, the car that...
It's everywhere in the UK.
Yep, you'll see these everywhere. And bloody hell. That's got to be some sort... Yeah, that's modified intake. Definitely modified intake.
It's ITG.
Yeah.
Yeah, ITG, I think. And it's got the nice cover as well, the engine cover, which is nice. That's just a bit of plastic there.
Mitsubishi GTO. In good condition as well. I mean...
bumper's about to fall off.
RX-8.
Yeah. If they want to have fun, they have fun. You know what I mean? If they get caught, then it's just going to be in trouble.
This one looks cool, doesn't it?
Oh, they did, that's right.
Oh, listen to that.
Remember that light? Dude, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? One thing we can all agree, the remake is shit.
Yes.
Golf R. Got a classic boy here. A Hillman. A Hillman Imp. Oh. The face on this just hurts. That big old Beamer. Now that sounds... Oh! I knew someone was going to do that.
Or you can smell his wing.
Yeah, someone would say that. Like custom engine paint job. What?
Isn't that? Yeah.
Holy crap. Taking a customization to a whole new level. And that one too, bloody hell. Car.
Yeah. Via a VXR wants a family car that will bring Ferraris on a daily.
Oh, look at that, it's a Ford Escort. I love these things. Next to its modern brother. God, that's a mean looking thing. It's all black so the camera can't see it. God.
That's what ours can sound like most of the day, but
I think one feature of this Lexus over here is just the overwhelming purple. Purple interior, purple everything. Could have a nightclub in that. Oh my god.
oh yeah.
Well, it's getting a bit dark, so I think I've shown you lads enough. And now for the best part of the meet as well. Goodbye.